Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the CEL or coupled Eulerian-Lagrangian explosion over the concrete beam reinforced with steel rebar and strips. And here I used damage criterion for the concrete. You can see this damage or this damage variable under the CEL explosion. You can see that, or plastic strain, or stress. And let's me to remove concrete part and see the rebar here, and let's me to replace all, and I'm going to use this and this to check the TNT propagation. See this is the TNT here. The concrete beam has resistance against the pressure load, but it failed ultimately, and you can see the penetration of the TNT here. See that? You can see. Or we can use this option. This is the another option. Okay, and let's me to remove this domain, and let's me to use damage or everything yield criterion, for instance, and I can use isosurface to observe it better, or damage. See the damage propagation. This is the damage zone, and plastic strain for the rebar stress. We can check the stress for the concrete beam. See that? Okay, if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website at www.abaqusfem.com, find the English tutorial, click on the title or blue sign. This is continue. If you can't find this tutorial, search 2 or 3 words of the titles here in the search section, and then you will find this. And after that you will have short explanation about the process, the geometry, material, steps, interactions, everything here, and at the end the results. You can see the result here, and there are 3 important points here. The file contains CAI in English video file step by step, and the cost is $32 US. If you have bitcoins, you can pay with that. If you haven't bitcoins, you can use PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.